And then I'm on Twitter today. Guess what happens? I'd run into another post by our president. I'm asking myself what's going on. And the only answer I got is that maybe we are on our road to freedom, guys. So the Twitter page reads, if you accept the call to leadership, then you must be willing to be misunderstood, criticized, opposed, accused, or even rejected. Guys, did we reject this guy? I feel like us as a people, we have been criticizing him a lot from the way he's moving, on the way he's handling issues, on the way he's responding to issues. But my question is this: does he really deserve it? Does he really deserve to be opposed? Does he really deserve to be criticized? Does he really deserve to be opposed? Does he really deserve to be accused? Does he really deserve to be rejected? That's my question. This guy is putting his life on the line. He's putting his family's life on the line. If ZANU-PF wanted to do something bad to him, they could have easily killed this guy. They tried. He dodged so many bullets. He dodged so many assassination attempts. His family, for instance, they are not at peace. They are not in a very, very, very safe position, safe space right now. Anything can happen. But yet we continue to disgruntle him, continue to downplay his achievements. We don't see the good. All we see is the bad. All we see is the bad thing that Mr. Chamisa has been doing. Come on, guys. But that's not what I'm doing this video for. I think we are heading for freedom. I think we as a people are now closer than ever to freedom. So we should be celebrating, not crying. Because I think this is the time and this is our future. And we are close. We are so close. We are so close. It's only a matter of time. So the reason why I say this is because there's a guy who asked Mr. Chamisa a question after I posted this. The question was, where am I? Well, let me check. Something is not going right here. Something is wrong. Yeah. The question was, that was the question. And then the tables are turning. That's what he said. See, the tables are turning, right? It's it's crazy that people continue, and then there's this stupid guy called Zigo. As long as you take us to the State House Preso, that's what he said. You know, people don't really know where they stand. This is the same way I was criticizing my president. Now he's claiming to be as if it is on the side of the people. It confuses me, guys. I mean, share your thoughts. You know, I'll fix the comment section. I've had people, you know, like disliking my videos just because I wasn't, there is no comment section. I'll try to fix that issue. Anyway, make sure that you subscribe, share, and, you know, share your thoughts on my video. And thanks for watching, guys.